Pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the fans. Pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans.
Now 2452.
2 miles, turning west.
All because of weather. Some planes have needed. Really, it runs the gamut in terms of.
Oh. Likod riya.
Good morning, everyone. So today I have the reports and the updates from the airline. So let's start with Mr. DM. So, Mr. DM, from what episode, what's been tough lately?
Thanks. Honestly, the biggest issue is last minute changes. Flight get delayed overnight. Suddenly, we're scrambling to help hundreds of stranded passengers. It's chaotic and exhausting for staff.
Totally. And other passengers make it harder. They are stressed about missing connection or hotels. We need better ways to communicate updates clearly and timely.
Plus, airlines don't always share info fast enough. By the time we get updates, passengers already know and they're quite upset that we're
Staffing is another thing. During delays, everyone's stretched thin. Baggage team, security, even food vendors. We need a plan for peak chaos hours.
And don't forget about the tech issues. The system crashes when flights change at once. Passengers get stuck in endless lines and they can't move fast enough. It's like dominoes. One delay causes more than 10 problems. We're all just tired of it, aren't we?
Wow, that's a lot. Let's not dwell on pain. So let's talk about fixes. So, Lian, I heard the new Delta thing shared new deadlines.
Yeah, there is. There are testing a passenger alert system via text or email before travelers even get to the airports. Less crowding updates during delays. Maybe we can push airlines to adapt this faster.
Love that. What if we also set up quiet zones for stressed passengers, like a corner with chairs, water, and staff to calmly explain options to them?
We could cross-train staff during peak times. If baggage teams are free, they could help hand out snacks or direct traffic. Visibility is key.
Tech upgrades too. A backup system for check-ins when the main one crashes, even a simple paper form as a plan B could save time.
Maybe like a delay toolkit for stats, like a cheat sheet, airline contacts, and hotel deals, scripts for the passengers.
What if we partner with nearby buses and hotels for discounts?
Passengers that are stuck overnight would like to receive probably a free shuttle service or voucher instead of feeling stranded overnight. You agree?
No.
Absolutely. So, these are awesome ideas. Let's test this next week. Let's pick from 1 to 2. So, let's start with Franco's Quiet Zone ideas and Nino's toolkit double fast. So, let's report in 7 days. Any thoughts?
Just want to say thank you guys. Even though this is tough, it helps knowing we're all in it together.
Same here. Let's make those quiet zone happen. Let's start the drafting sign for the area tomorrow.
And I'll work on the toolkit with Nino, and we'll have a rough version by Friday. Yeah.
I'll check with him about the backup check-in system. Finger crossed, they can prioritize it.
So yeah, I'll reach out with the hotel partners. Maybe we can set up with them next week for a meeting. With that vouchers.
So perfect. Let's keep this energy going, and yeah, don't forget to take care of yourself because our job isn't easy and everything's over. So let's see you next week. This is perfect. So let's keep the energy going and please take care of yourself because